they said that in a test, a class of 34 pupils scored a total of 2890. Then they said that there was a mistake in the marking, and then half of the class of pupils had 4 marks added to each of them, while the other half had 2 marks added to each of them. Okay, then find the average score. This one, right, let's be a little bit careful. They said that half of the class had 4 marks added to them, right? Half of 34 is what? So 34 divided by 2, that will be 17, right? So 17 of the pupils had 4 marks added to them. So I'm going to find the total score that was added. So 17 pupils times 4 is going to give me 68. Okay? Now, let's talk about the other half. The other half, which is also 17, had 2 marks added to them. So 17 times 2, that will be 34. And then they say find the average score of the class in the end. Average score, right, you take the total plus the additional marks that was actually included. So let's figure it out. 2890 plus 68 plus 34 divided by the total number of people. Okay, so we have 2890 plus 68 plus 34. That will be 2992 divided by 34 divided by 34, and that will give me 88. So average is the new 88 is the new average. Okay, be careful for this one. A lot of students will not know how to do it because they cannot figure out all this portion. Okay, this is easy. This one is a little bit tricky. Okay, done.